Hey guys, welcome back to AHC Garage, a channel that's good for today's Acuras, Hondas, and all the classics. On today's episode, we're gonna have a brand new vehicle, a 2020 Acura NSX in this beautiful, brand new Indy Yellow. As we mentioned before, this is a brand new color called Indy Yellow, which we found that exact color on the first generation NSX. Right now on this particular color on 2020 NSX, it is a $1,000 options. Additional on top of that, let's take a look at the trunk spoiler. It is a $3,000 options on 2019 and 2020. They have switched the optional spoilers from dry carbon to a wet carbon. I personally like the wet carbon better. Comment below and let us know what you think. You like the dry carbon or the wet carbon? So on all the second generation NSX, all the key fob actually read NSX. And let's take a look at the interior. This particular model actually have the blue leather interior options. Let's take a look at it. Alright, sitting inside the vehicle, as you can see, it's pretty roomy, very large window with great visibility. Let's go ahead and start this thing up here. This car actually has 4 different modes. We have the first mode is quiet mode, then you have Sport, Sport Plus, then you have Track, which you have to hold this knob here to the right. This vehicle also comes with the optional technology package, which come with navigations and upgraded stereo and things of that nature. Really cool blue interior, something a little different from a traditional black or red interior. On today's episode, we're not only going to check out this 2020 NSX, on top of that, we'll be installing a set of double stacker custom Vossen wheels. Before we talk about the wheels, let's take a look at all the accessories that we got along with the wheel set.
So what we have here is a set of Vossen wheel studs for this car. It's nice, they make them not specifically for the NSX, but this application works. They're a 2-piece design with a conical 60-degree seat and a matte black finish. And this is designed to fit the inside of the wheel where the lug nuts sit, so that it has maximum contact and you're going to have the car with the wheels torqued properly and you're not going to have any problems with them coming loose. And we also have a new set of TPMS sensors, so in case we want to go back to the stocks, we don't have to break the wheels down, we can just slap them on and get it rolling.
So let's talk about the wheels.
So
what is the size?
So the fronts, being a double staggered, they're 20 by 9. And I believe the offset is custom on here to a 46 in the front. And the rears are 21 by 12 with a custom offset of 42. Vossen actually took these wheels and machined the center bores and the offsets to fit the car specifically. It's pretty nice. And also the paint on here is not an off-the-shelf paint, it's an optional paint from them as well. These are Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, PS4s I believe. And the front tire is a 245/30/20. Really nice, quiet, great traction. The back, that's the big boy. And that's a 325/25/21. Really impressive. I think this costs more than the wheels on my car. Not even joking.
So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get the car on the lift, get the original wheels and tires off, and get this bad boy mounted. Some of you guys wonder, what are these things here? These are actually factory tools that you screw into the wheel studs, and instead of, once you take out the wheels look like it's gonna fall off. That actually hold the wheels in place. Now John is gonna take the rest of the wheels off. That's how it goes, huh John?
Easy peasy, man. Take one out, screw it in, hand tight, and it helps you because these cars now run more of a Euro style stud like you'd see on a BMW or a Mercedes. A little different than all the other Hondas, so they give us this tool to help us not mess up the wheel.
Before we keep going, we want to give Acura Pembroke a shout out. Give us the opportunity to work on this car and actually film it to share with everyone here. Give them a visit, www.acurapembroke.com. We go ahead and put the link right in the description so I can go take a look at them. Alright guys, so we got the NSX back in the showroom, but we got a little surprise for you. Let's take a look. That's right, guys. You know what's better than one NSX? Two NSXs. So right in front of us here, it is a Berliner black NSX with a different interior from the yellow one. The yellow one has a blue interior. This one, let's take a look what we have here. Tough decisions. Is it the black or is it the yellow? Comment below and let us know what you think. But this is it for this videos. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and also share the video with your friends and family. And don't forget to visit our website, www.acurhondaclassic.com, to pick up your favorite apparel and merchandise. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We hope to see you guys on the next one.